Do you want a proven strategy for making money online and set up your first passive income stream in less than an hour? Then follow this online income blueprint. I will show you what I did to make $400 a day. I'm going to show it to you step by step so that you can do it too. And anyone can do this. You don't need any special tech skills or anything. So in an hour, you can set this up and start making money. Like and subscribe now. Check out my channel. There I share a lot of successful online money-making strategies. All right, now I want to tell you what you're going to learn in this video. It's a high-level overview. First of all, I've been teaching people how to make money with technology and marketing for 25 years. I've made hundreds of people over $100,000 per year through my strategies, at least a dozen millionaires. So I know what I'm doing, and let me tell you what makes my videos different than anyone else's. Any other video out there about affiliate marketing or making money online, they tell you what you have to do, but they don't tell you how to do it. They'll tell you, oh yeah, you have to find your niche, you have to use this software, but they don't tell you explicitly how to do it. So in my video, I tell you what you need to do, and I tell you exactly how to do it. So in this video, I tell you about the niche. I've done the research for this niche, so I'm not just telling you, go and find a good niche. I found you a good niche. So I'm going to tell you why it's a good market, and I'm going to show you the data. Then I'm going to walk you step by step through what to do. And I tell you what affiliates to get. I don't say, find some affiliate that makes sense. I found the affiliates that make sense. And I found affiliates that you can get, and I will show you exactly how to get them. And I will show you how much money you will make with each step and how to scale. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is basic marketing. And this isn't rocket science. Thousands of people are making money through this method. This is a proven, tried and true online marketing strategy. And I'm not trying to show you how to do something amazing that's difficult to do. Everything that I show you is average. Do an average video, get the average click-through rate. All you have to do to achieve what I have is to be average. And think of this video as a workshop, because I'm telling you exactly what to do to make a passive income stream engine. So the first thing that I want you to do is click the link in the description below, and that's going to open up InVideo AI. So this is the main tool that we're going to use to make this online income strategy. So go ahead and click try InVideo AI. This is a tool that you can use for free. You can join with Google or put your email address in, create an account, and then you have to go and get a login code. They sent it in an email. So you go to your email, Video AI sent you your login code, copy that, paste it here, create account, and you discovered it on YouTube. And then what's the reason? Business and marketing. Put your name there, and it's that easy. Now, it's going to be from here that we create the content for this online income strategy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and always check there because I update these strategies anytime I find better affiliate partners or better ways to make money. Let's take a step back and get an overview. This strategy is affiliate marketing on your faceless YouTube channel. So affiliate marketing is where you create a business relationship with a company to promote their products and services on YouTube. The company will give you your own affiliate link, and you'll put that affiliate link in the description field for your YouTube videos. Your affiliate link holds your unique ID so that when viewers click on the link and go to the company's website, when they buy a product, the company knows that it's you and gives you a commission. So you're going to promote your partner's products on your faceless YouTube video. So I'm going to show you how to use artificial intelligence to rapidly generate professional quality, engaging videos to promote your partner's products and services. And this AI is incredibly easy to use. So for this strategy, you're going to be promoting web hosting companies. Why web hosting? Because it's a $2 billion industry. And every week there are 250,000 new websites. So there's a huge demand for web hosting. And why on YouTube? Let me show you why YouTube is a great platform for promoting web hosting. So I have VidIQ. It is the best product for finding YouTube keywords and market strategies. So when I search for web hosting here, I find very strong results. As you can see, I have these overall scores starting in the 80s. When I'm looking for marketing strategy, I'm looking for 5 of these that are 50 and above. And so as you can see here, we're starting at 80, going down to 70. We've got a lot in the 60s. Anything 50 and above shows me that there's something to market there. The other thing here is we want to look at the competition. So here we have very low competition, very low competition. So that means that when we are putting our videos on YouTube to market web hosting, and someone's looking for top affordable web hosting, there's very low competition, there's a high search volume, And there's a very strong chance that your video will be seen. And when someone's looking for that, their search intent is to buy. So then when you present to them all of the facts and features that they need to know for web hosting, they will click on your link, go to the company's website, buy it, and you'll get your commission. Now let me show you how to do it. It's really easy. We go to the company's website. So this is going to be our affiliate partner. And we are going to go to one of their services, standard web hosting. And I'm going to copy the URL and then go to my AI tool. This is InVideo AI. It is a cutting edge text to video generator. So you tell it what to do and it will create your YouTube video. It has a template down here for YouTube Explainer. It's very simple to do. Now, I always create a 10-minute video. The YouTube search engine promotes you when you have videos of 10 minutes. Additionally, 10 minutes of information about web hosting gives the viewer the information that they need to make a buying decision. Then I go here and very simply I say promote this and I paste the URL that I just got from the partner company. And then I choose my music, uplifting and confident. I choose a voice, choose a male voice, and let's do a Midwestern accent. I always add subtitles. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to do 1-minute video so that you can see the whole thing. And then something I always add is a CTA, a call to action. This is where in the video we tell the viewer to click the link in the description field to go to the company's website. And actually I'm going to do 2 call to actions and then continue. Now I generate the video and in just a couple minutes we have our video. So let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Welcome to Jasper Logo's InterServer, your ultimate solution to web hosting. Kickstart your online venture or blog with our flexible web hosting package. Get 65% off on standard web hosting with 24/7 managed support and transparent pricing. Enjoy perks like a 99.8% uptime, unlimited Ultra SSD storage, over 450 cloud apps, and unlimited email accounts. Benefit from our InterShield security, offering web attack blocking.
So as you can see, it creates this professional video where it's talking about all of the features of our partner's product. All right, let's go ahead over to the end here and just check it out.
Click the link in the description below for more details. Remember, with InterServer, your online success is just a click away.
So as you can see, it creates a professional video, it promotes our affiliate partner's products, and it makes the call to action for the viewer to click the link. Now you are able to edit this. You can change visuals, you can change the script, but I always use it as is. InVideo AI does a great job at creating YouTube explainer videos without a need for me to edit it. And then I export it, it renders it, and then I simply download it. Now that I have this video, I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel. So you're going to want to have a dedicated YouTube channel for all of your web hosting videos, because that is your niche, web hosting. That way the YouTube algorithm will promote you properly, and viewers, when they see one of your videos, they'll go to your channel to see more videos about your other affiliate partners. So to create a YouTube channel is very simple. You're going to come to the upper top corner here where there's this little camera with a plus on it and click it to upload a video. When you upload a video, it's going to automatically put it into your YouTube channel. So you're going to select the file, that's what we just did, and you're going to add it. So here I'm going to give it a title and then a description. Then I'm going to complete the upload, but I'm going to make it private. And the reason why is because I want to set up all of my affiliate marketing videos first and then launch them all at the same time. That way the YouTube algorithm knows that I have a significant channel, and then when viewers come to one of my videos and they go to my channel, they see all of the videos. Now let's talk about what kind of results you'll get. Let's talk about how much money you can make with that video. Just with that video, these are the results that I am getting. Just with one video, these are the results that I am getting. I get 500 views per month, and that's very average. So if you Google it, you know, the average growth rate of videos, and then you'll see what people are getting. So you can expect about 500 initially, 500 views per load, 200 views the first month, 200 to 300 views in the first 2 weeks. It took me 3 months to get up to 500 views, but now I'm at that 500 view per month level, and I'm just slowly growing. This is completely, the average monthly views on YouTube are between 500 and 2,000. So I'm on the lower side of the average. Then the next important thing is the click-through rate. The click-through rate is the percentage of people who come to your video and click the affiliate link to go to your partner's web page. If 100 people come to your video and you have a CTR of 4.8, then about 5 people are going to click through to your affiliate partner's webpage. And then the conversion rate is the percentage of those people who click through who actually buy the product or service. So I'm getting a conversion rate of about 4.2%, and that is average. 2 to 6% is average for YouTube. And for the click-through rate, the Google YouTube page says that the average for YouTube is between 2% and 10%, and I'm just getting the middle of the average. Now, my commission is $33. So let's do some math. All right, so if I have 500 viewers per month and I have a click-through rate of 4.8%, that means that 24 people per month are clicking my affiliate link and going to my partner's webpage. And then of those 24 people, 4.2% are buying the web hosting. And let's see. So that's about a person per month. So out of 500 views, it is ending up making one sale. And I get a 100 commission. So I'm making $133 a month on this one video. And if we divide that by 30 to see how much I'm making in a day, making about $4.40 a day. But I came in here telling you I make $400 a day. And I'll tell you the secret to doing that. The secret is make more videos. So I made 100 videos promoting my partner's web hosting. And my average sales are $4 per day per video. So 100 videos, I make $400 a day, actually a little more. And let me show you how easy it is to create 100 videos about web hosting. First, I come to my affiliate partner's website, to their web hosting product and service offering, and I am going to select all of the text on the website and copy it. Then I go to ChatGPT and I say, give me 100 video topics about this, and then I paste everything from that website. And ChatGPT is able to create video topics that expand on web hosting and my affiliate partners' product features and services. So you can see some of the video topics that ChatGPT came up with, like tips for choosing the right web hosting plan for your business, how to get 65% off standard web hosting, exploring the 450 cloud apps available with inter-server hosting. So these are all things about my affiliate partner and their products and their services, specific topics. Here's what I'm going to do. The same process as before. We go to the website and we're going to take the URL, copy it, go to InVideo, create new, YouTube Explainer, 10 minutes, YouTube Explainer, 10 minutes, promote, paste the URL. And the one thing I do different here is I say this topic. Then I go back to ChatGPT and I will take each one of these one at a time as the topic. I will paste that topic here, and then I will say 2 CTAs, calls to action. And so what I'm doing here is I am saying, I want you to promote the same product. But the topic of the video is going to be this topic, one of the 100 topics. We're going to go through them one at a time and add them as the topic. And then I have my 2 CTAs. So this will promote my affiliate partner while talking about a very specific hosting topic and do 2 CTAs. You do your music, voices, subtitles, continue, generate. Then in a few minutes you have another video, and then you come back and do the same thing. So you can generate high quality, engaging videos about many different subjects about web hosting and promote your affiliate partner at the same time. And this way you're able to reach many more people, a greater audience, because here I have additional keywords. So not just web hosting. Here we have a guide to storage options. So some people are maybe looking for storage options for web hosting, and then this video is speaking to them more directly. And then maybe somebody else is looking specifically for secure login and web hosting, then this comes up higher on the search for them. So we have additional keywords reaching a larger audience, and we create 100 videos, upload them to YouTube. We keep them private because we will launch them all at once. This way you have 100 videos. Each one of them is a passive income stream, and you start with that, because once you launch your channel, you will only add 1 or 2 videos per week going forward. This is the optimal SEO for the YouTube algorithm. It promotes you the most when you continuously add 1 or 2 videos. But you can't add 5 or 10 videos, because then it will not promote you. Maybe it thinks you're putting a bunch of garbage out there. So we want to get 100 videos out there so that you make the most money fastest. So then we come to a very important aspect of affiliate marketing, getting the right partner. So I got InterServer on CJ.com. So go ahead to CJ.com. CJ.com is an affiliate network. This means that once you join CJ.com, there are over 3,000 companies looking for content creators and influencers to promote their products online. So the reason I've chosen CJ.com for you is because they allow beginners. Other affiliate networks require that you have an existing web presence, like a blog site with 200,000 impressions per month, or an existing YouTube channel with 10,000 subscribers. But with this one, you're able to join with 0 subscribers. So we're going to click down here. So we are publishers and influencers, and we want to partner with brands. So we're going to click sign up here, and then you're going to add a username and password, and you're going to go through some steps, the onboarding checklist, where you're going to add your user information, complete your profile, add a promotional property, and this will be your YouTube channel. You'll put your YouTube channel URL in there, very easy. You don't have to be a company. They'll take your personal tax information, then you provide them with the payment information, how to pay you, activate the account. Then we're gonna come in here and find advertisers. Advertisers are potential partners. We're gonna look for ones where there's no relationship already and where they have auto accept rules. Then we're going to search for these. And as you can see, there are 88 that automatically accept you, that you pre-qualify for, so you don't have to go through a long approval process. And let's look in these for web hosting. I'm searching in here for the ones that do web hosting. And as you see, you can get inter-server here. You can get Colo House web server, and then you can get web hosting pad. So there are 3 affiliate partners here that you can get immediately. And here's inter-server, and you click apply. So then I click into it, and then here are all of the affiliate links. So I can take any of these links and use them in the description field of my videos. So if I just take a text link, I just copy it, go to my video, and then paste the link. Click now to register. That's the link. That's what will take them to my affiliate partners page. Then I hit save. So I want to do this. When I come back in. So I want to do this for all 100 videos, make sure that I put that same link in every single video. I can add a specialized description by doing this in ChatGPT. Give me a description for number 55. ChatGPT gave me the list, and I could ask it for any one of the descriptions. ChatGPT gives me a good description. I don't have to think about it. Copy, go back, just paste it in the description. Then you can also fill out more information about the video, your tags. You can subscribe to my channel. I have videos that tell you everything you need to know to set up your videos and your YouTube channel for the best SEO. But this is good enough. We're gonna hit save. Now let's talk about price. So as you saw, I created a 10-minute video that promotes one affiliate partner, and you can set this up for free. You can do it once a week, and that'll make you that one video that makes you $2 a day. And so you can do this whole plan for free, and you'll make a sale every couple months, and that's money. You're making money. However, if you want to make significant money, then you go up. And so what I did is I did 100 videos, and they give you 200 minutes here. So that's 20 videos. So I went up. So I went up and did 100 videos, 1,000 minutes of video, and I bought it for 1 month, built everything that I needed for my channel, and then I went back down. And I still have max because I do a few videos. I have different channels. You might be able to go down to plus and just do a few videos a month. And then that way you're continuing with the algorithm, growing your YouTube channel and making more money. So there is a cost involved. If you want to really grow to make that $400 a day, $12,000 a month, then you're going to want to start here. The more videos that you put out, the more money you make. And to continue growing your YouTube channel, you're going to need to put out more videos. Or you can stay with free. Just do 1 a week and money will trickle in. So I wish you well. That is my blueprint to making money online. It is a proven strategy. Thousands of people do this and make money. I just did the research and found a strategy that works, and it's something that you can follow. So click the link below and check out InVideo for yourself. Start with the free one, see how it works. Go ahead and make sure that you can set up those affiliate partnerships, and then follow this plan and make money. So I wish you well. Good luck.